Hello my YouTube friends, in today's video I will show you how we created these beautiful chandeliers for our Gothic garden. We bought a regular chandeliers and transformed them into a solar powered chandelier. We also added a few new details which I discuss later. Before we hang our chandeliers, we used these poles with hooks and fastened them to the arbor so they are sturdy. Let's now take a closer look at the chandelier. Now I will wait until it's dark, and we will see whether they are working and glow in the dark. Well, I waited for a few hours. It is not completely dark yet, but they are already working and they are lighting up the area.